Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a chart to your document on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page by clicking on the home button down below and tap on Docs at the top. Click on a document. You can either choose from templates or a single document, then wait till it's loaded, and after that you should click on the plus icon that you will be able to find down below in the left side corner. Then tap on Elements down below, which is the second option, and here you can find the charts section, so click on See All in the right side to check them out. You have them organized into distinct categories, such as the bar charts, line and dot charts, and pie charts. So if you want to check out the further options, click on the See All button. And if you want to insert any of these, just tap on the relevant one and then it will be inserted automatically. So here you can find it. If you want to edit it, just tap on the relevant one, such as item 1. And here you will be able to add your own text, so tap on it, delete the text and type in your own. As you tap on the whole chart, you can edit the color as well as the line weight can be set on this slide, the marker and the marker size. Then the smoothing, the font can be set to, as well as the text style, such as heading, subheading or body text. Then the color, format, you can make it bold or you can italicize it. If you click on the More button, you have the chance to copy it, paste it or delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.